Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
The 2020 Nissan Leaf supports 3 charging levels: 120V, 240V, and DC fast charging. Understanding these options helps plan range and time. Use 120V Level 1 via a standard outlet for occasional top-ups. It adds roughly 4 to 5 kilometers per hour of charging. Use 240V Level 2 at home or public stations to add about 25 to 50 kilometers per hour, depending on onboard charger capacity. Use DC fast charging at compatible CHAdeMO MO stations to add 60 to 80% in about 40 to 60 minutes. Install a dedicated 240V Level 2 EVs with a NEMA 14-50 or hardwired unit for best results. A licensed electrician should install the circuit, confirm 40 amp breaker sizing, and verify ground and neutral connections. Set charging schedule overnight to take advantage of lower electricity rates and reduce peak draw on your home panel. Use the Leaf's charging timer and smartphone app to delay start times. Charge to 80% for daily use to extend battery life, and charge to 100% before planned long trips. Regular inspection of cords and connectors prevents wear issues. Use CHAdeMO MO fast chargers for compatibility with 2020 Leaf models when quick charge is required. Locate stations with apps that show availability and connector type. Verify power level before arrival. Monitor state of charge and precondition cabin while plugged in to maximize range and efficiency, especially in cold weather. Avoid frequent DC fast charging above 80% to preserve long-term battery health. Use Level 2 for routine top-ups. When charging in public, follow etiquette. Move promptly when complete, use designated stalls only, and secure your charging cable while parked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.